This is what it's like driving fast RC boats sometimes, you know? ECFH, and the sound is ridiculous. Oh, holy crap, it just rail slid, dude. SonicWake, 36-inch, G1, converted over with the Dynamite 160, 8 SESC, and a little splash at the duck pond. Got me my rotor busted off, so we're gonna have to remount that bad boy there. Other than that, got a couple little scrapes, but all good. And now for some Gieco 36-inch twin crash action. Whoa! Oh boy, that blew off good. Whoa! Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, so here is the Miss Gieco 36-inch catamaran with dual systems. And what happened last time I took it out, it big flip, stuck hard and stopped. And I noticed some rattling after I recovered it. And what the rattling was this is loose. So let's take care of that. Gotta pull these out. Those are the two 120 speed controls, right? There's the whole tray. You're supposed to have these bad boys right here glued in, but as you can see, they pop the frick out. They're still attached here, here, and here. Right, there. So I'll get those off and get it glued back on. But in the meantime, here's some SonicWake 8S footage for you. See you next time.